couple top level things that I really think are important for you to know is that these are the criteria that we run niches through before we give them a thumbs up, thumbs down. Number one, is there a hungry market? Is there a market of buyers in that market? Are people going to Google and actually searching for what it is that you're looking to advertise for? That's something that's really important. Every market's going to need a roofer, but here's the thing. If you're in a market that's got 10,000 people in a population, that's going to be a lot harder to get a campaign, the traction needed to get the client a return on investment, as opposed to, say, an area with 1 million people or 500,000 people. We love divorce law, family law, immigration law, criminal law, DUI law, employment law, wage and hour law. As you can see, we like the law niche. House cleaning, accounting, janitorial services, commercial cleaning, power washing, pressure washing, ear, nose, and throat doctors, podiatrists, cardiologists, any of the submedical specialties. So family doctor, pediatrician, what's the bone doctor? Why am I having a brain fart here? An orthopedic or orthopedist, mold removal, roofing, any of the trades, anything with larger transaction values. Those are great. Let me go back to the medical real quick. This business has changed dramatically in the last few years. Businesses or sub-medical niches that didn't have to advertise previously because they got all their business referred from other practitioners. The way insurance is working these days, that shifted, and they do now have to advertise and get a bit more aggressive than they used to. So I believe this is a wide open market. Any of the sub-medical specialties is good. You can charge high transaction or high management fees and do it value-based, and they don't need a big budget to really see an impactful campaign. Like something like $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month is more than enough in a lot of these sub-medical specialties. So keep that in mind.